Extending for moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour north at 45 miles per hour. Radar is hazard, 60 miles per hour. Northeastern Illinois. Severe thunderstorms will be west of Chicago and around 4:15 p.m. Nearly lookup, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard. Arlington Heights, building broke into around 4:40 p.m. Woodridge, Blount, Darien, and Prospect Crest around 4:45 p.m. Downers Grove, North Willow, Springfield, Ridge, Westmont, Willowbrook around 4:45 p.m. Willow Springs and Indian Head Park around 4:50 p.m. Tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect. Wheaton, Downers Grove, Northbrook, Hinsdale, Burr Ridge, Westmont, Willowbrook, Clarendon Hills, Willow Springs, and Indian Head Park around 4:50 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois. Northwest severe thunderstorms were located in Daytona. The big fear is storm surge. And we want to try and show you this is the main bridge, the International Speedway. Source radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to roof.
The philosophy are extremely challenging. People have
around 4:15 p.m. Carroll Street and Winfield around 8 p.m. Glendale Heights and Bloomingdale around 4:25 p.m. Naperville, Plainfield, Hanover Park, Lockport, Roselle and Crest Hill around 4:30 p.m. Romeoville and Homer Glen around 4:35 p.m. Arlington Heights, Bolingbrook and Rolling Meadows around 4:40 p.m. Wheeling, Woodridge, Blount, Darien, and Prospect Heights around 4:45 p.m. Wheaton, Downers Grove, Northbrook, Hinsdale, Burr Ridge, Westmont, Willowbrook, Clarendon Hills, Willard Springs, and Indian Head Park around 4 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. for west central